Welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Over the last year or so, I've been seeing a lot of YouTube videos about real mowing. Many of those guys seem to be trying to achieve a perfectly smooth putting green-like lawn. But if you've seen those videos, you've seen just how much work that is, and how many different opinions there are on how to go about achieving that type of lawn. Can they even really achieve that without actually building a real putting green from bottom to top? Whatever the case may be, I can certainly understand their fascination with lawn care and their desire to see what they can achieve. But what about somebody like me that isn't quite as young and ambitious as those guys? The more perfect you want your lawn to be, the more work it takes to keep it that way. What kind of a lawn can I achieve with just a reel mower and no truckloads of sand, backbreaking work, or needing to mow every day? Well, that's what I wanted to find out. One thing I've learned along the way is that your lawn can only be as good as your grass. If your grass isn't as good as you'd like, your lawn won't look as good as you'd like either. So I renovated or tilled and replanted my old front lawn with modern low-growing varieties of Perennial Ryegrass and Kentucky Bluegrass. That's not as much work as you may think, and I'll show you how easily it can be done in upcoming videos. Here's what my front lawn used to look like. And here's what my front lawn looked like at the end of the summer after I killed the grass. And this is the new grass in October. Here's what it looked like May 26th when I did my last mow at 2 inches with the rotary mower. Later that day I mowed it to 1.75 inches for the first time with my new reel mower. It was looking so good at that time that I was wondering if I should even go ahead with this. I've continued to lower the height of cut, and here I'm mowing it to a height of 1.25 inches. I've been doing this slowly over a few weeks to avoid shocking the lawn with just one sudden mow. You can see how I've mowed it right down to the brown stems of the grass blades. I'll be making my final cut down to just 1 inch in my next mow, and then I'll be cutting at 1.25 inches for the rest of the summer. The grass will respond to the lower mowing by growing many more new grass blades with shorter stems. That way each grass plant can collect just as much sunlight as it used to do with the longer blades. So here it is, cut down to just 1 inch. It's as low as I'm going, and I'll be mowing at 1.25 inches for the rest of the summer. And here's a progression to how it looks today. I really like how it turned out. I need to mow this tiny front lawn every 3 days now, but I haven't had to use any messy growth regulators or give it any other extra care. It's actually been a lot of fun mowing it with the new reel mower, and it takes me only 15 to 20 minutes to double cut such a small lawn. I don't even break a sweat in that amount of time. I would say that it took at least 5 weeks to recover from the low mow, and 8 weeks to look really good. Hey, don't miss the next video. I'll be starting this year's lawn renovations. Until then, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and then ring the bell that pops up next to it. That way you won't miss the next video. Don't underestimate yourself, you can do it. I like it so much that I've thought about doing this to my whole lawn, but on further thought, I don't want to go back to bush mowing my whole half-acre lawn again and doing it twice as often.